జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత థర్డ్ చాప్టర్ కర్మయోగం 33rd శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ టీచింగ్ నిష్కామ కర్మ టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆఫ్ us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Arjuna, in this entire creation, every living being acts according to their own nature. Not only that, even an enlightened person acts according to their own nature, because every living being, including enlightened person, will be carrying impressions which are collected from previous millions of births. So those impressions becomes the natural tendencies to them. So they act according to their own natural tendencies. Here, an enlightened person may be having the jnanam about that Atma is different from Shariram, and he also may be continuously thinking about Atma. Having all this jnanam also, he will be forced to do acts in this world according to his own natural tendencies. So the jnanam that he has cannot stop him from acting towards the objects in this world according to his own natural tendencies. That is why even after having jnanam, one should be doing karma. That too should be doing nishkama karma. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma encouraging every one of us towards nishkama karma, irrespective of having jnanam. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, let us now repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Sadrusham चेष्टते स्वस्याः प्रकृतेः ज्ञानवानपि प्रकृतिं यान्ति भूतानि निग्रहः किम करिष्यति। Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Always think about me, become my devotee, keep doing all your activities as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day, at least by reading one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep doing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep on doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone, unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading your teachings among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like, I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad-Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad-Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamapeta-krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Srimannarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad-Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching to Parikshin Narendra about the process of meditation and also answering the questions of Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, you have asked me a question that what one should be doing when it is the last moment of his life. So I answered that question. Now I am going to be telling you about those who are seeking fruits other than moksham. So what should be they doing to get their desires fulfilled? Those details now I am going to be disclosing to you. O Parikshin Narendra, those who wants Brahmavarchas, Brahmavarchasakamastu yajeta Brahmanah patim. If they want to get the glow, the divine glow in their face, and if they want to fulfill their life with the divine glow, they have to be offering their aradhana to Chaturmukha Brahma. O Parikshin Narendra, Indram Indriyakamastu, those who wants to strengthen their senses, they have to worship Indra. Prajakamah Prajapatin, those who wants to get children, they have to worship Prajapati. Devim Mayantu Srikamaha, those who wants to become rich, they have to worship Devi. Tejaskamo Vibhavasum, those who wants to get Tejas, they have to worship Agni Devata. Vasukamo Vasun, those who wants to get wealth, they have to worship Vasu. And those who wants to get Viryam, the courage, they have to worship Rudras. And those who wants to get rice and other grains, they have to worship Aditi. Those who wants to get heaven, they have to worship Devatas. Viswan Devan Rajyakamaha. Those who wants to get kingdom, they have to worship Viswadeva. Those who wants to become dear to everyone, they have to worship Sadhya. Those who wants to get long life, they have to worship Aswini Devata. Those who wants to become stronger, physically stronger, Pushtikama Ilam Yajeta, they have to worship Bhudevi. Those who wants to be stable in their portfolio, they have to worship Akasam and Bhumi. Those who wants to become beautiful, handsome, they have to worship Gandharvas. Those who wants to get very nice spouse, they have to worship Urvasi. Those who wants to get Adhipatyam, the leadership, they have to worship Brahmadeva. Those who want to get fame, they have to worship Varuna. Those who wants to get good education, they have to Vidyakamastu Girisam. They have to worship Paramasiva for Jnanam. Those who wants to have very harmony relationship between spouses, Dampatyardha Umam Satim, they have to worship Parvati Devi. Like this, Sri Sukha Yogindra saying to Parikshin Narendra about all the different Aradhanas and their respective Devatas and their respective desires to be fulfilled. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Sri Mukundamala Stotram. Trishnato ye Madana Pavanodhuta Mohormimale Dharavarte Tanaya Sahaja Graha Sangha Kulecha Samsarakye Mahati Jaladhau Majjatam Nastridhaman Padam Bhoje Varada Bhavato Bhakti Navam Prayacha. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, 33rd sloka. Sadrusam Cheshtate Svasyaha Prakrutehe Jnanavanapi Prakrutim Yanti Bhutani Nigrahaha Kim Karishyati. Sadrusam cheshtate svasyaha prakruterjnanavanapi ప్రకృతిం యాంతి భూతాని నిగ్రహః కిం కరిష్యతి. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.